Hey there and welcome! If you've ever wanted to hide a strip on your Wix website, especially for your mobile layout, you're in exactly the right place. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the process, showing you not just how to do it, but why each step matters, so you can make your site look exactly how you want. By the end, you'll be comfortable hiding and showing strips whenever you need, giving you more control over your web design. Okay, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll do is head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is your main hub, where all the magic happens. Make sure you're logged in and looking at the site you want to edit. Take a second to glance around and familiarize yourself. Having this basic understanding really helps when making changes. Next, look for the option to switch to mobile view. You'll usually find this along the top of your Wix editor, and it's a crucial step. Why switch to mobile? Well, the design and layout on mobile devices are often quite different from the desktop experience. Hiding a strip usually makes the most impact on mobile, uncluttering your site and making it more user-friendly for visitors scrolling on their phones. So, go ahead and click Switch to Mobile. The editor will rearrange everything as it looks on a smaller screen. Give it a moment, especially if your site has a lot of content. Now, direct your attention towards the top right corner of your screen and select Tools. This is where Wix gives you access to some really handy options for editing and managing your elements in detail. If you've never used this section before, don't worry. Just click on it and explore for a brief moment. It's where you get a bit more power over what you see as you design. After clicking Tools, you'll want to select Layers and Toolbar. Layers are really helpful because they give you visibility on every element sitting on your page, almost like seeing all the pieces of a puzzle, stacked on top of one another. If you've ever worked with Photoshop or any other design software, this idea will feel familiar. Having layers active lets you pinpoint exactly which strip you want to adjust, rather than guessing or clicking around randomly. Once you've got your layers open, move to your header section and select the strip you want to hide. Strips are horizontal sections within Wix layouts. Think of them as big building blocks. Maybe you want to hide an announcement bar or a promotional area that just doesn't fit on mobile. Whatever it is, make sure you click that specific strip so it's highlighted. It can sometimes take a couple tries to get the right one, so don't get frustrated if your first click selects something else. With your strip selected, direct your eyes to the toolbar. You'll notice an eye icon with a slash through it. It's practically universal. Whenever you see an eye with a slash in design tools, it means hide this. Just click on that icon. Instantly, that strip will become invisible on your mobile site, cleaning up your layout. You haven't deleted anything, it's just hidden, so you can bring it back at any time. And that's really all there is to it. If you ever want the strip to show up again, just go back, click the eye icon once more, and it'll return. Super simple, but it makes a big difference in giving your visitors the best experience. All right, I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or if there's a specific challenge you've run into with Wix, definitely drop your comment below. I'm always here to help out. If you learned something today, smash that like button. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials that'll help you master your website design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.